Are you focusing only on keyword volume when selecting keywords for your campaigns? Well, it's time to shift your strategy to filter keywords by click potential, not just volume. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find keywords that'll actually drive clicks and not just rank high in search engines. To start, let's talk about why focusing on click potential is crucial. Volume tells you how many people are searching for a keyword, but that doesn't guarantee clicks. What really matters is how many people are actually likely to click on your link after searching. That's where click potential comes in. So, how do you filter for click potential? First, you need to analyze user intent. Not all searches are created equal. Some search terms may have high volume but lead to low engagement because they're broad or informational. Other keywords, while having lower search volume, might be closer to the point of decision for the searcher. For example, best deals on laptops has high search volume, but best laptop deals for students might have a more targeted audience that's ready to convert. Now let's talk about using tools to filter keywords. I've tested several keyword research tools for this, and one that stands out is the one I'm offering an exclusive free trial for in the description below. Using a tool like this, you can not only check volume, but also look at metrics like click-through rates, CTR, cost per click, CPC, and competition. These factors give you an idea of the true click potential of each keyword. Next, don't forget to look at your competitors. What keywords are they targeting, and how well are they converting? Tools like this can show you the keywords that are bringing the most clicks to competitors' sites. If those keywords have solid click potential for them, chances are they could work for you too. A common mistake many marketers make is assuming that a keyword with the highest volume will always deliver the best results. But you need to look beyond volume. By comparing click-through rates, understanding search intent, and analyzing competition, you can identify keywords that are more likely to lead to conversions. Another thing to consider is the search result landscape. If a keyword has a lot of organic results, ads, and featured snippets already dominating the search page, it may be harder to get clicks, even if it has high volume. Filtering keywords by click potential will help you focus on those that have less competition for clicks. The key takeaway from this video is that filtering keywords by click potential, not just volume, will ultimately lead to better conversions and more effective campaigns. Focus on search intent, use tools to analyze CTR, CPC, and competition, and always consider the search result landscape. To recap, the best way to filter keywords by click potential is to 1. Focus on user intent, not just volume. 2. Use keyword research tools to check CTR, CPC, and competition. 3. Analyze competitor keywords. 4. Consider the search result landscape and competition. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the tool I mentioned in the description below. It's the perfect way to start filtering for click potential today. Thanks for watching.